Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today is another video in the series 1 palette 3 looks, and the palette that I have today is the Zoeva Cocoa Blend palette. Looks like this, it's super pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna be creating 3 different looks with this palette today. Yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna zoom you in. Alright, as always, I've already done my base and my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first look. The first, I'm gonna be taking this shadow right here, which is called Substitute. Cannot say that name. Substitute for Love. Not gonna say it again. And I'm gonna put that all over my crease. So this first look that I'm creating is actually my go-to look with this palette. I really love it. It's very nice and quite simple. Now that I have that all over my crease, I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is called Freshly Toasted. And again, I'm gonna put that in my crease, but a little bit lower, like per usual, with circular motions. And I'm gonna bring it down to my outer corner. Now with that same blending brush again, and with some more of the Substitute, I'm gonna blend out the edges. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this shimmer right here, which is stunning, and it's called Pure Ganache. One thing that I started doing recently when I put shimmering shades on my eyelids is actually use a glitter primer, and this one is by NYX, because sometimes some shimmering shades can transfer to your lid and they might not last as long as the other eyeshadows. If you put some glitter primer or some glitter glue, it's gonna help that color stay in place. It's not gonna be moving all day, and it's gonna last much longer on the eyelid. I'm not gonna be doing it right now because I have 2 more looks to film. So look how pretty this shade is. And the quality of this eyeshadow palette, it's so good. So I'm only gonna take my finger and spread it all over my eyelid. I'm gonna leave some space in the inner corner because I'm gonna go in with a brush and I want it to be a little bit more precise. And I'm gonna bring it almost until the outer corner, but I'm just gonna leave some space right there because I want it to be a little bit darker there. And I'm gonna take a small lip brush and go with that same color again and just put it in the inner corner. And I'm gonna kind of create a little bit of a line here, and that's gonna give it more precision and make it look more clean, which I really like. I don't want that all over my eyelid. I don't want it to be looking like a cut crease, just in the inner corner. And then I'm gonna go in with that same blending brush again, which I had the color Freshly Toasted, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out the edges a little bit, but not too much, just a tiny bit. And with some more color, I'm gonna put some more on my outer corner. I'm gonna take the color Sweeter End like here, and I'm gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone a little bit. I don't always do this, but sometimes I only go in with my highlighter, but sometimes I like to take an eyeshadow if I like the eyeshadow. And I'm not gonna drag it completely here because it might bring the brow a little bit down. So I'm gonna leave it like that, only in the arch. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line, and again I'm gonna take this first color right here, the Substitute for Love, and I'm gonna put that everywhere. Basically, I'm gonna take the color Freshly Toasted right here, and I'm gonna deepen up the edges much closer to the lower lash line this time. And now I'm gonna take Sweeter End again, and I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with it. And what I like to do is blend it out with my finger. If you want, you can put eyeliner, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna keep it simple like this because usually I really like a very nice brown kind of a smoky eye, but without liner. I think it looks very nice like this. So I'm just gonna do the other eye and put some mascara on, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. Alright guys, so this is a finished look. I think it's a very simple look that has a little bit drama to it, and if you want, you can only put some lashes and a red lipstick and it turns to a night look. So let's go ahead and do look number 2. I'm gonna go again with Substitute for Love right here, and I'm gonna try to bring it quite high. Now I'm gonna take Freshly Toasted again, this color right here, and also put it in my crease, but a little bit lower as per usual. And I'm also bringing it to my outer corner. I'm gonna try to blend things out. Okay, and now I'm gonna take this color right here, which is called Infusion. It's a very dark brown with gold shimmers. If you blend it out, the shimmers are not gonna show, so don't worry about that. You can just dust it off and the shimmers are gone. Although I think it looks very nice with the gold shimmers. And I'm only gonna put it in my outer corner and my inner corner because we're gonna be creating a halo eye. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. And then I'm gonna take a smaller brush and put it in my inner corner. It's quite dark. And now what I'm gonna do, take the brush that we used with this color right here. I'm gonna try to blend out the edges of that black that we put. because that needs some blending. And basically you're gonna try to blend as much as possible and put some more color whenever you see necessary. I always like to create a triangular shape right here, and again blend things out. We're gonna fix it again when we do the lower lash line, so don't worry too much about it. And now I'm gonna take this color right here, which is called Subtle Blend, something like that, with my finger, and I'm gonna put that in the middle. They actually look quite nice together. This is a very intense halo eye. I don't usually play with black. I would suggest to do your eyes first with this kind of look because you might have some kind of fallout, and since we're using black eyeshadow, it can be intense. But I did powder my under eyes quite well, and I'm just dusting off the excess. I'm gonna take a synthetic brush and go over it a little bit more just to intensify it. Yes. Alright, and now I'm gonna do the lower lash line. I'm gonna start with this color right here again, and I'm gonna put it everywhere, but this time I'm gonna try to bring it a little bit lower since this is a intense look. I really want to smoke my lower lash line, and I'm gonna try to drag it from here downwards so that everything is well blended. Yeah, as you can see, I brought it quite far down. And now I'm gonna do the same thing with this color right here, just a little bit higher this time. And now I'm going in with this black right here that we use in our inner and outer corner, and do actually the same. I'm gonna try to leave a white spot in between so that I kind of mirror everything that I did on my lid. That's nice. And then try to blend out the edges a little bit. I'm gonna take that synthetic brush again and go in with the color that we put in the middle, and I'm gonna put that right there. But it doesn't show too much, so I think I'm gonna go in with this color here instead of, maybe, yes, that did make a difference. And also I'm gonna put this color in my inner corner too. I'm gonna blend things out with my finger, and there you have it. Alright, I think I'm gonna put some lashes with this look, and I'll be back to show you the end result. So this is the finished look, and of course, as always, I'm gonna link everything down below, what products I used. Alright, let's go ahead and do the third and final look. Again, I'm gonna start with this color right here and put it all over my crease. I think it's a perfect crease color, and you don't really have so many mattes that light, and most of the other lighter shades are shimmers, so don't have much of a choice. Honestly, I just want to use this color right here, which is called Warm Notes. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I just want to put it on my eyeballs and see where it goes. Okay, ooh, that's pretty. I don't know why, but I feel like it's not applying as smoothly as the other ones. Only right here. That's weird. And then again, I'm gonna go in with a flat synthetic brush and put it in my inner corner. You know, this color is not applying so well. All of the others apply very nicely. Only this one. It's like the color is not sticking to my lid or something. I'm gonna try a little bit more. More patting as opposed to swiping. Yeah, that was better. So you're supposed to dab instead of swipe. Yeah, that was a lot better. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take this color here, which is called Delicate Acidity, and I'm only gonna put that in my outer corner. That is pretty. Did it just remove the color? What? Well, something is wrong. It's weird because those two shimmering colors right here, they worked perfectly fine with swiping, especially this one, so a lot of fallout here. And now I have to blend out the edges, and I think I'm gonna start with taking this color right here and then see if I want it to be darker or not. So it's removing the color. Maybe I should have started with that in the first place. All the color is gone. This is weird. I guess I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is called Beans Are White, and with that same brush I'm just gonna try and make everything look blended. I don't want it everywhere. I'm gonna be very careful with it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add those two colors again by tabbing, not swiping. So I guess a glitter primer would make things much better in this case. We're just gonna move on. I'm gonna take that same color again and put it in my lower lash line, and I'm gonna do the outer corner, and I'm gonna try to bring it up here a little bit too. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the edges. I'm gonna take Pure Ganache again, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner, and this time I'm gonna bring it in to the lower lash line too. I think I need eyeliner with this look. I'm gonna take Inkblot gel liner in the shade 89, which is a very beautiful dark purple brown. And I'm gonna create a line. Alright, you know what comes next. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back. So this is the final look. I think it looks very nice with the eyeliner. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I really hope it was helpful in some way. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!